First of all, we have to know the statement of this theorem. So I am writing here Bayes theorem. The statement is if B1 into probability of conditional probability A upon Bi. Okay. So conditional probability we have already discussed, and now you can write again here conditional probability. What is conditional probability? Conditional probability. If we have let A and B two events, okay, let A and B be exclusive event here, mutually exclusive event, okay, exclusive event. These are mutually exclusive event. Then for any arbitrary event A such that A must not be equal to 0, or this will be greater than, because probability will not be anytime negative. So this is non-zero, means positive. We have conditional probability of this Bi, if any Bi with respect to this A is equal to probability of Bi into probability of conditional probability of A upon probability of B, the summation of probability of this Bi all into probability of conditional probability of A. Okay, this formula you have to use here. And in which situation we will use, in which situation we have to use this formula? You can take it by you can understand this by an example. I'm taking here an example. I'm taking here that if a bag have two bags, the bag 1 contains 3 red and 4 black balls, while another bag 2 contains 5 red and 6 balls. Okay, there are 6 black balls. Now you have to draw a ball from these two bags at random. Okay, you don't know which bag you have chosen, and the drawn ball is red. Okay, now you have to find the probability that this red ball is drawn from bag 2. This probability you have to get. Okay, is question clear to you all? Is question clear to you all? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, all right. Now, in solution, first of all, you have to you have to take here B1 as B1 ball is drawn. Let B1 is ball is drawn from bag 1, and suppose if you are drawing this ball B2, then this ball is drawn from bag 2. If you have supposed this and W, this is the this is the condition that ball is red. Okay, you can take here R as, okay, R you can take R, ball is red. Now we have to find conditional probability. We have to find conditional probability of B2. Okay, B2. This we have to find. You can understand this again. We have two bags. Bag 1 contains 3 red and 4 black balls, and bag 2 contains 5 red and 6 black balls. So one at random, you have to choose any one bag and you have to draw a ball from that bag, and the ball is red. Okay, then you have to find the probability that we have drawn red ball from bag 2, this probability. So bag 1 B1 is ball drawn from bag 1, and B2 is the condition that ball is drawn from bag 2, and R is the condition that ball is red. Then we have to find this bag, probability of choosing this bag uh, with respect to this ball is red. Okay, now the formula, Bayes theorem is used here. By the formula, by, or you can write here, by Bayes theorem, probability of B2 over W is equal to the formula you can see from here, that this formula is here, that probability of Bi over A is equal to probability of Bi into conditional probability probability of uh, A, probability of A with respect to this Bi, conditional probability, upon summation probability of Bi, and again this probability of A with respect to Bi. Okay, so you are using this formula here. You can write here as probability of B2 into probability of W over B2. This ratio will be changed here, and upon summation used here because right down here I will write it again. P2 sorry B2 BI, sorry BI was here, and P W over Bi, this summation you have to take. So you can write here as probability of B2 over W is equal to probability of B2 into probability of conditional probability of W over B2, and this whole upon probability of B2 into probability of W over B2 plus probability of B1 and into probability of W over B1. Okay, we can write this in first term and then this in second term also. Now you can put the values. Probability of B2 is what? You can understand, we have two bags, and probability of getting bag 2, so this probability will be 1 by 2 into this conditional probability W over B2. Okay, and this conditional probability W over B2. So W, sorry, not W, this is R, sorry, many where I written here this, you can take W, so that I have taken here W. Okay, so probability of W over B2 is conditional probability, and from this you can write B2. Now how many balls are here? Uh, 5 red balls in second bag. It is written here that 5 red balls in second bag, and total 5 and 6, this is 11. So you can write here this is 5 upon 11. Okay, and probability of B2 is again 1 by 2 into probability of W over B2 was, we have 5 upon 11, that was, we have 5 upon 11 plus again probability of this B1 is 1 by 2 into Now probability of white ball with respect to bag 1. So we have to see here, bag 1 is what, red ball is 3. Okay, red ball here in bag 1 3. So we can write 3 upon 7. Okay, 437 favorable outcome, 3 upon total outcome, this is 11. No, sorry, 7. Just this is 7. Now you can simplify this. This will be 5 upon 22 into 1 upon, this will be 5 upon 22 plus 3 upon 14. Okay, simplify it, what will get. चलो एक प्रॉब्लम और लेते हैं, इसी टाइप का एक प्रॉब्लम और लेते हैं, जैसे and most similar of the previous question, that an urn one containing 3 white ball and 4 red balls, urn one contains, and the second urn contains 5 white balls and 6 red balls. One ball was here, huh? One ball is drawn at random from one of the urn, ठीक है, then it is found to be white, then you have to find the probability that it was drawn from urn 1. दोनों में क्वेश्चन में कोई बहुत अंतर नहीं है, बस दोनों क्वेश्चन में आपके जो है 3 and 4 तो वो भी था, 5 and 6 ये भी है, केवल क्वेश्चन में अंतर ये है कि ये अर्न 1 हो गया है, वो अर्न 2 था, ठीक है। चलिए जरा सा इसको सॉल्व कीजिए आप लोग। हाँ, एक अगला क्वेश्चन लेते हैं।